Hey everyone, it's Taya and welcome to the L'Oreal Paris channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to achieve two different looks using blush. Blush is one of my favorite steps because you can transform your makeup completely and it's so fun to play with. So today I'm going to be demonstrating two different blush techniques that I think will flatter and enhance your face. The lifted blush technique and the flushed blush technique. I'm going to get started with the lifting technique. This is going to instantly lift your cheekbones and sculpt out your face. And for that I'm using the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Up to 24-Hour Fresh Wear Blush in the shade number 20, Daring Rosewood. This blush is super pigmented. It's also a soft matte finish and it's transfer resistant, so it's perfect for this look because it's going to keep your face snatched all day. All right, so to get that lifted look, you're just going to take a fluffy brush and tap it into your blush. You always want to tap off the excess. I'm going to apply the blush starting at my cheekbones and just work my way towards my temples. And you always want to use a patting motion so that you get a really soft and seamless blend. You can see how this side of my face is already looking more lifted than this side, but I'm going to take it a step further and show you guys what you can do to enhance that structure even more. So what you can do is take a concealer that's pretty close to your skin tone and you're going to start right outside of the bridge of your nose and just create a curved line going up towards your ears. And then you can take a brush or a beauty blender, but I'm going to softly and carefully blend this out, meshing it with my blush. And I'm going to keep blending until the concealer is blended into the blush. And this is going to instantly give your face a lift, and it's also going to make your blush look really seamless. You can see the difference between the right side and the left side of my face. You can tell that the right side of my face is more sculpted and the blush just gives the illusion of higher cheekbones. Picking up my blush with a fluffy brush, I'm just going to tap into the product. Again, in patting motions, I'm starting at the top of my cheekbones and working my way towards my temples. You can stop here if you want to, but I just love how this side is more sharp and it brings the eye's attention more to the top of your face. Again, take any concealer that you want to and you just create a curved line towards your ears. And again, we're just gonna blend this out until it looks seamless. So this is how the lifted technique looks. This is personally one of my favorites because I have rounder features and I feel like this really helps to snatch and enhance my cheekbones. So now for the next technique, which is a flushed look. I'm going to be showing you how to get a youthful and fresh complexion with your blush. And for this look, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Paris Lumi Lait Liquid Blush in the shade Glowy Worth It Medium. This blush is one of my favorites. It has a beautiful glowy finish. It's weightless and blendable and you can build it up to your desired look. I think this blush is perfect for this look because it leaves you with a nice dewy finish. It's going to make your skin appear more youthful. What I like to do is take the blush from the back of my hand and tap into it with a dense brush. For this look, you're going to focus the blush on the apples of your cheeks. So I'm going to blend from the apples of my cheeks outwards towards my temple. You're going to have a lot less blending to do because it's already blended and it's going to give you a more seamless finish. And you can see how this creates a nice healthy glow in your cheeks and it just makes them appear more full. So again, I like to apply the blush on the back of my hand, pick it up with my brush, blending as I go. And again, we're just applying it to the apples of our cheeks and blending backwards towards our ears. So that's it. This is the flushed blush technique. It leaves your skin looking so healthy and glowy and it really makes your cheeks pop. And I love this technique. I think it's perfect for any natural makeup day because it just looks so seamless. And that's it. That's how you do both of these blush techniques. I think they're both super flattering. If you're interested in any of these products, head to l'orealparisus.com and don't forget to check the links down below.